In this video we're gonna be replacing main battery on 2014 Mercedes ML350 W166. Battery is located under the passenger seat. I recommend move the seat all the way to the front. And all the way up. That will give you more room. And as you can see, you have a lot more room now to work on the battery. I'm gonna temporarily remove the carpet from here. Remove this piece. Remove this vent piece. And we're gonna remove this battery cover. Now we have the battery. And looks like this battery was replaced before from Pep Boys. And looks like previous owner did not connect this piece back. Looks like it doesn't fit good. We'll start by disconnecting the negative terminal. Now that negative is disconnected, we're gonna disconnect the positive. Might be tough to see it. It's all the way over there. You should be able to reach with a ratchet though, with extension. And that's disconnected too. Now we're gonna remove this piece over there. And size of those nuts is 13 millimeter. There is enough room for me to reach with a hand to pick up the nut, but you could always use magnet. Now I'm gonna remove the metal bracket. Now, kind of tough part is removing the battery. Let's see how tough it's gonna be. It is very heavy. By the way, I did not hook up battery power to the vehicle while I was removing this battery for two reasons. From what I researched online, I don't think I'll have any issues with starting radio and all other with the new battery. Second, I think if you connect some kind of power source, you're risking this positive terminal touching any ground surface, and I don't think it's worth the risk. I think so far this is the biggest, heaviest battery in any vehicle I've seen that I've worked on. This battery is not that old. June 2023. It's about 4 years warranty. I wonder what happened. I got a battery from Costco, $180 with a 3-year warranty. I just checked online and this battery weighs 59 pounds. Gonna remove this piece. And this. Pushed it all the way in, and it's good. Now I'm gonna connect the positive terminal. Didn't really want to go in, so I'm gonna use flathead screwdriver right here to widen it a bit. Using small flathead screwdriver, I pushed it a little bit further in. Now that should be good to go. Now I'm gonna secure that one. I'm gonna insert this piece. After you secure those two 13mm nuts, put this piece on. It's time to secure the negative terminal. Now I'm gonna put this piece back on. Now this one. And finally this piece. Now put this down and this over it. As you can see, there is no issues with any messages, anything that would happen because I disconnected power and did not put some kind of power maintainer. It's all good. Stereo started, there is no lock, nothing like that. So I think you can disconnect the battery and not worry about settings. And what's crazy is even the time is still good, I guess, because there is another smaller battery in the back and that retains the time. That's how I changed battery on 2014 Mercedes ML350 W166. I'll provide the Amazon affiliate links for tools I used in this video. If I'll be able to find good battery on Amazon, I'll provide link for that as well. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.